Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now, today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins in Melon Playground, also known as Melon Sandbox, guys. I'm going to show you how to get a ton of free coins, and you can also get an ad-free upgrade. And it's super easy, guys. This is working on any device. So you can see here, guys, you can get this on your iPhone or Android. You can also do it on your computer as well. So yeah, this method is super simple, guys, and it is going to get you a ton of free coins in Melon Playground. You need to use your mobile phone just to do the process, and you'll see why in a few minutes. So you need to basically go to this website on your internet, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So you got to go to Robot Coupons, guys. Very important you do go to the correct website. When you hit this website, guys, go to the search bar and you're searching for Melon Playground. Here we go, Melon Playground, free coins and no ads. So you can see you can get free coins, 12,000 free coins in Melon Playground. You can also get no ads. So basically just click either one because you can actually get both. And now you're going to see this page here, guys. And you can see people are actually using this as we speak, getting tons of free coins in Melon Playground. So you've got to press start, and it is basically very important you do this on the device that you actually play Melon Playground on. I play on my iPhone, and you're going to see it says we detected Melon Playground on your iPhone. So just do this on the device that you play on. Select what resources you want and click continue. So you can see you can get free coins and no ads, and you can do both. So I'm going to press both and press continue. So you can choose what you want, guys. You can get 12,000 free coins in Melon Playground, and you can get 1 year of no ads. So you can literally just click on that and click on that, and then the continue button is going to pop up. And you can see, guys, people are actually doing this as we speak. Super popular method this is, guys. So it says here you selected 12,000 free coins and 1 year no ads. I'm just going to add it to my account. Finalizing the process. Okay, so sometimes this happens, guys, where it says automatic verification failed. So you will manually need to verify yourself. I'm not going to do it just simply because I don't need any more coins and I've already got the no ads subscription. But basically, guys, you need to click on this verify now button here, and you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to basically tell you how to verify yourself. It will take you between 5 and 10 minutes. It's completely free. Just follow the instructions and ensure you complete a couple of tasks to do the manual verification. And once you've done that, guys, it is going to give you the 12,000 free coins and no ads in Melon Playground. So that is it, guys. Pretty easy. Just got to go to robotcoupons.com and search for the Melon Playground page and just follow through all of the steps that I've showed you. It will take between 5 and 10 minutes to do that verification as well, but that is very important. And that is the best method to get free coins in Melon Playground on all devices. So I hope you found this video useful, guys. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.